Hey guys, welcome back to Sunshine and Friends. We're here with Sunshine, Starlight, and Blaze121 Red. Okay, today we're gonna finish making our cookies. We left it in the fridge overnight. We let it cool a little bit outside too. Make sure to see part 1 because we created it yesterday. Remember we were making a cookie, kids? Okay, so basically, this is gonna be more of the baking part, not like the mixing stuff. So now we are gonna show you how to actually make, like, roll it into a ball and shape it. I'm gonna get a cutting board and see if we have. Okay, so we are gonna start taking a
cookie dough.
A nice piece of dough.
It's cookie dough.
This cookie dough. I'm gonna go get a plate. Blaze121. You want a plate?
Yeah, we'll get a plate.
Then, this is my tray. I'm gonna put it in. You always have to spray it with butter. Okay, so I'm gonna give Blaze121 a piece and me a piece. No, I already have a piece, so.
Yeah.
Okay. This is how much we're gonna need. Blaze121, come over here. We're gonna show you what we are making. Oh, sorry guys.
Oh, yeah.
So we're gonna take our dough and we're gonna start rolling it into a ball.
Yeah. I can't do it because it feels too smushy. Oh, I got it.
If it's sticky, all you gotta do is put a little flour on your plate.
Okay. Is it like, oh wait, you just make like is it like this?
No. Okay, so I'm gonna go get my brown.
Sorry.
I'm gonna stop now.
Why?
We're gonna take our brown sugar. Okay guys, if it falls, it's gonna get germy, so do not use it. Or then you guys are gonna get sick. I'm opening my brown sugar now.
Son, you better give me a piece because you remember that my other one falls on. The other one got on the ground and I got dirty.
Yes.
You better give me another one.
If you drop it one more time, you're not gonna get another piece.
Okay. Oh, I think I got a big one. When I think the cookie I think the cookie dough got softer while we were waiting.
Okay, I think I'm gonna pour some brown sugar because we didn't add it last time. So guys, remember to add brown sugar. Look cool. I'm gonna add brown sugar
Because
we didn't put it last
Do you
time.
remember, kids, you remember the other brown sugar we had? It was honey.
We didn't use that. Okay, now we're gonna roll it like this. Flatten it out.
Like, make it goes everywhere, like this. So sugar is little particles, but if they go on the floor...
Do not add too much or it's not gonna taste yummy.
Yeah, too much sugar makes you go crazy around your place. Okay?
If you add it too much, you're gonna add more of your dough. So I added a little too much, so now I'm gonna take
Even you
dough.
could go hyper, and after that you'll lose all of your energy.
So I want to make the small balls because when it's small, it's more fudgy. Okay, we're gonna do small balls. Okay, now we're gonna roll it again. Blaze121, come. It's not only me in the show.
Oh,
I think that's too much.
And then you put a little bit too much, I think.
Okay, mix this with that.
That looks too big.
Hold this.
Okay. Texture. Oh, I don't like the feel of the sugar.
Okay, now we are gonna start spraying our tray. If you're wondering why, we have no other place to put it. So we're gonna put this down on the tray. We're gonna take a butter spray. Chair time! Because I cannot reach very far.
Yeah.
And I do not want to waste my time using butter.
Because,
No.
you know, yeah, Sunshine isn't tall enough to reach the
Hi,
butter spray, so she needs a chair, but
Here,
you could
take it.
You could ask your parents if you can reach it or something.
Because we don't want you guys to get
And
hurt.
make sure your parents doesn't see us when we make you.
No, make sure you let your parents know. Spray it. Yeah.
If it doesn't work, please ask your
So
parents.
buttery.
Smells like butter. Whoa! I see.
It smells like butter everywhere, guys.
Well, imagine our house smells like butter, then mouses go everywhere. I would move in. That would never happen, kids, right? Write that in the comments if you
Agree.
Yeah.
I think there's enough. I'm gonna go get like a napkin because I think I need to damp it, and I'll show you how to do that.
Damping is easy. You just do this. You just pat it.
You pat it down.
I better wash off the diamond.
There we go. So much better. Okay, so now when we got that done,
Yeah. Wait, boys and girls, if you don't like the little particles from your brown sugar, please wash your hands.
okay, guys. So I'm gonna roll it up and place it in a ball, like this.
Okay, we got the damping done. Wait, do we have to make more cookies?
Now we're gonna make more cookies. Cookie time.
So, our iPad might be running out of battery, so
It's not running out of battery because it's on charger.
yeah.
Wait, aren't you filming by the camera? Our iPad's right there, see?
Yeah.
Okay. So you sprayed it. Now, we're gonna take some.
We're going to get a little bit of more cookie dough.
It's so windy outside. I think you guys could hear it. Can you?
Yeah, you could see, you could feel you could go outside and feel the weather, or you could.
Some people live in different countries they went to one, so I'm not
Yeah.
sure about that.
If you're from a different country, oh,
Maybe
That's
it's
okay.
worse. Maybe it's better.
that's okay, but it would pay a lot of money to go to our country. And we can't tell anybody our countries or we're going to get in our house. You're not going to tell us your address. No, our address, right?
Oh, this is a separate ball. Hey! It's already on your plate.
What is the other sugar for?
This sugar is to make everything look better.
Damp it? Go damp it.
No, this is already on your plate.
There's not enough sugar left.
Yes, there is.
It doesn't look enough to me.
No, but it's actually enough.
I have 0%.
Okay, I made one ball. Put it in. Let's hurry our business up. Business up.
Okay, in there. I got mine done too. This is going to be fun. How many cookies we have to make, Sunshine?
As much as the batter runs out.
Yeah. Please, you could ask your parents to put the recipe that you're making into the oven because it's too hot for children.
We don't want you guys to get in trouble.
Or
hurt. Sure.
Or hot.
So how to roll it is you move your hands like this, up, down in a circle.
Yeah, the bottom one
It should look like this.
right and left, and the other one goes up and.
So if there's corners, you're gonna pat it down with your finger. Okay, let's hurry our business up. Fantastic people are waiting to try cookies.
Yeah, we don't want to make part 3 because
We want you guys to see everything. We want you to see this in 2 parts, at least.
yeah, we better hurry up because this limit is only up to like 13 hours and something.
Nope.
Yes, you remember last. Oh, I think it's 14.
14 minutes, so.
Yeah, if that happens, that means we have to make part 3.
Are you gonna get some stuff? to make
Oh,
your-
you forgot to give me. Oh, is that big enough? Okay, thank you. Okay.
Almost done.
It looks too big. Okay. Oh no, we have 3 hours left.
No, we do not.
Yes, we do.
How?
Oh, this limit is only up to 16 minutes.
We're almost done, guys.
Yeah.
Whoa. Teamwork makes dream. Like, really.
We only have 1 spot left. You think we have enough space to make the others?
Of course we do. So we got our first pan done.
Oh,
See?
yeah, we have another. Right?
Okay, so this is how it looks like.
So I got the other one. I got the other one. There.
Okay. Let's put this one to the side.
And we're going to make our other cookies.
You know what? Maybe we have space for the other one. So keep, when you make some, keep it on your bowl, okay?
What?
Which one?
Yeah, kids, if the bin is not too big enough, if we don't have another one, we don't know what could do. I'm annoyed with the sound stuff at the basement.
It's noisy.
It's all the basement people at our.
They're not noisy. They're nice.
Sometimes they make a little bit loud noises.
Okay, so I'm gonna make our last cookie. Okay, guys, let's see how they look like. Okay, I'm gonna be back. Blaze121, let's go call our mom.
Yeah.
Okay, you stay here.
No, I don't want to stay.
Okay, go get her.
Okay.
So, guys, if you didn't know, I actually have a Pinterest account. My Pinterest account is actually, I believe, fantastic2000friendsworld.com. So follow me on Pinterest. Ooh. I'm so hungry for these. I'm bored. Okay, we only have 2 minutes until this will be auto. We will be back quickly because our video might finish right now. So guys, we traded our cookies. Now we are gonna set our oven for about how many minutes?
Degrees even.
I don't know how long. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take it over here. So we are gonna cook our cookies for a little bit. Make sure your adults are here to start your oven and put it in the oven. I am so excited. If you start to make your cookies and made your cookies, comment down below of how they tasted. Okay, so yeah, hopefully we could fit Ding into this. Okay, so we're about to start it. Okay, so I'm gonna move back to the kitchen, and this might end because like last videos they ended automatically. I'm so sorry for that part.
Well, but we did
These are
add
cookies.
part 1.
They're evenly trayed. And if you need help traying them and you don't have enough space, make sure you call your parents or guardians.
Even like if you could tell us on the comments what video did you like? Did you like the part 1 or did you like the first one or the second one? Write it on the part 2 comments below. Why are you spinning around, Sunshine?
Okay guys, so my cookies are ready. I'm so excited. Look how cute these are. The little milk containers. Yeah.
What does 100 minutes equal?
I don't know.
10 hours? What does it equal?
1 hour, I guess. More than 1 hour.
No, what is?
1 hour,
3
40
hours.
minutes.
I think
1 hour, 40 minutes.
Oh, like, what should my movie time equal? When
Okay guys, so we're gonna tell you how many degrees your oven's supposed to be. Your oven has to be at least 143, 145, 147 degrees.
No, it's counting everywhere. No, listen to this. Let's keep the going.
We'll show you. And maybe if there's an adult, you could translate, so.
This will take 100 hours.
No, I'm not.
What are you doing?
I just put the light on. Okay, so we started to warm. Okay, so Blaze121 says parents should be here to turn on the lights. Let me show you how we turn on our lights.
It's like turning on your switches in your rooms. You don't need your parents because it's easy.
Okay, guys, so if you know how to turn it on, you're supposed to, but if you don't know how to, then don't. Okay, guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, so we are going to get started on putting our cookies in. Thank you. Okay guys, that's it for our video today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Share this video with your family and friends. And don't forget to click the notification bell.
Bye.